Want to know how to plan hero skill upgrades efficiently in Game of Thrones KingsRoad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and only a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to know that hero skills in KingsRoad Mobile are game changers. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can just easily plan upgrades so that your heroes are upgraded efficiently and really great for battles. Upgrading them blindly can easily waste resources, so make sure you focus on your core team first. Make sure your skills that impact your main heroes give the best value. Check which skills improve survivability, damage output or support abilities. Save rare items and materials for heroes that will actively contribute in events and PvP. So planning skill upgrades efficiently ensures your team gets stronger without draining resources unnecessarily. So make sure you keep an eye on the things I've told you and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.